Hi, guys, and welcome to our If You Give library. So, how do we say it? Numeroff. Laura Numeroff is the author of this awesome series. I'm sure most of you have seen the books, but they're definitely like a cause and effect type series. If you do this, then this is going to happen, but they're silly. And they're about animals. So, if you give a mouse a cookie, was the first in this series. And if you give a mouse a cookie, what's going to happen? He's going to ask for a glass of milk. Um, and so the whole series is this fun little silly, if this happens, then this might happen next, walking us through cause and effect situations. Now, Laura Numeroff, this is a picture of her. Numeroff, this is a picture of her, the author. If you click on her, it will take you to a website where you will learn more about her. And then each book that you click on will give you a read aloud throughout the series. I have If You Give a Pig a Party right here that I'm actually going to read to you myself in just a second. There's another read aloud linked on the board as well. It's hidden under my head right now. And then something else that's pretty cool is Amazon Prime has created a television series off of this book series. So the little mouse, he is now a TV star, and there's a television series. So if you have access to Amazon Prime, you can see that. However, even without access to Amazon Prime, if you click on each of these little stuffed animals that I've linked, so we've got the cat, the mouse, the moose, the dog, and the pig. If you click on them, it's going to show you like a quick clip out of one of the episodes, and I guess you might have a hint about what the episode might have in it, maybe by something that the stuffed animal has with them. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this board. I really love talking about not new authors, but I really love talking about authors, and we haven't had a discussion on Laura Numeroff this year in the library. So I hope that you dive into her work and figure out a little more about her. And until then, enjoy this book. If You Give a Pig a Party. If you give a pig a party, she's going to ask for some balloons. When you give her the balloons, she'll want to decorate the house. When she's finished, she'll put on her favorite dress. Then she'll call all of her friends to invite them to the party. I do like her dress. It's very festive. Her friends won't be home, so you'll go with her to look for them. On the way, she'll see a street fair. She'll want you to take her on the bumper cars. I used to love the fair that would come to my hometown when I was little. All her friends will be there. Ah, that's where they are. Look at the roller coaster. I actually really like roller coasters. Then you'll have to take her on all the rides. She'll want to play the games, too. Do you like to play the games when you go to fairs? My kids like to play the games, and I remember liking to play the games when I was little, too, but now as an adult, I'm like, they're really hard to win. They're kind of like tricky in that sense. When she's done, she'll ask you for some ice cream. When she's finished eating the ice cream, she'll need to change her clothes. Oh, yeah, right? You'll have to take her home. She got all messy from her ice cream on that pretty party dress. She'll ask her friends to come along. Oh, yeah, right, because we were giving her a party. On the way, she'll start a game of hide and seek. Oh, goodness, this is taking a long time to just get some friends invited to a party, right? That's how this started. Oh, we're hiding and seeking. Can you see the pig? Who else can we find on this page? Oh, I found the dog. And I found a rabbit. Oh, I found the mouse. I found the moose. The moose. Oh, and the cat. They're all kind of hard to find. Pull you a little closer so maybe you can try to find some. When you finally get home, you'll have to make dinner. Then she'll want to have a sleepover. You'll have to find pajamas. And blankets and pillows for everyone. When she sees the pillows, she'll probably start what do you think she's going to start with pillows? You guessed it, pillow fights. Very fun. Then she'll make a fortress out of blankets. Of course, when she's finished, she'll want to decorate it. So she'll ask for some. What do you think she needs to decorate her pillow fort? No, I guess it was a blanket fort. Balloons! And chances are, if you give her some balloons, she's going to ask you for a party. The end. Have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this series and exploring the board.